Hi trend catchers, I have here a discussion about Japanese candlestick trading. Japanese candlestick trading is a materials I stumbled upon when I was doing the level 1 of Platinum Challenge. During that time, I was searching for something that would help me form a system that I can use to finish level 1, and I stumbled upon this Japanese candlestick, which is a very helpful indicators for me. Now let's do this. Japanese candlestick trading is an indicator used side by side with support and resistance. Japanese candlestick is a type of price chart that shows the opening, closing, high and low price point for each given period or for a certain period of time. Sinusukat niya yung movement ng market. Japanese candlestick has two types, the hollowed candlestick and the filled candlestick. The hollowed candlestick usually is white or green dun sa ibang gumagamit ng green and red charting. Hollowed candlestick is made up of the upper shadow, the high, the close, the open, the low, and the real body. The hollowed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. The close is above the open, then the hollow candlestick is formed, meaning nag-open siya sa mas lower na price tapos nag-close siya sa upper na price. So this hollowed candlestick indicates a rising or usually shown in an uptrend thing. And then the filled candlestick also has the upper shadow, the high, the open, the close, the low, and the lower shadow. Filled candlestick is a bearish candlestick. It is usually black or red dun sa gumagamit ng green-red charting. If the close is below the open, then a filled candlestick is formed, meaning nag-open siya dun sa high price niya pero nag-close siya dun sa lower price. Basic Japanese candlestick pattern. There are three types of basic Japanese candlestick pattern: the spinning tops, the marubuso, and the doji. The spinning tops, which looks like this, is a Japanese candlestick with a long upper shadow and long lower shadow, and a small real bodies. These small real bodies indicates that there is an indecision between buyers or sellers. It forms during an uptrend, usually means there aren't many buyers left and a possible reversal in direction could occur. If forms during a downtrend, usually means there aren't many sellers left and a possible reversal in direction occurs. This spinning tops indicates that there is a possible reversal. Hindi pa siya confirm, possible pa lang siya. Marubuso. Marubuso means there are no shadows from the bodies. Depending whether it is filled or hollow, high and low is the same as its open or close. A white marubuso, open price equals low price and close price equals high price. It is a very bullish candle which shows buyers are in control the entire session. It usually becomes the first part of bullish continuation or a bullish reversal pattern. Itong white marubuso, ito yung candles na gusto mong makita kung meron kang open position. Because it indicates that there is uptrending, the market is going to rise. A black or red marubuso open price equals the high price and close price equals the low price. It is a very bearish candle which shows sellers are in control the entire session. Usually implies of a bearish continuation or a bearish reversal pattern. Ito namang black marubuso, makikita mo siya sa downtrend. Tapos pag nakita mo to, dapat may nag-short ka, or kung meron kang open price, siguro dapat mag-close ka na. Then the last one is the doji. Doji have the same open and close price, or at least their bodies are extremely short. Doji have a very small body that appears as a thin line. Doji suggests that there is an indecision or a struggle for tough positioning between buyers or sellers. Price move above and below open price, but price close or at or very near the open price. Neither the buyer nor the seller regains control and the result is a draw. There are four types of doji: the long-legged, the dragonfly doji, the gravestone doji, and the four price doji. Dito, nag-move naman yung market. Kaya lang yung agawan ng buyers or sellers para i-move yung buyers para i-move up yung price at yung sellers para i-move down yung price. Nagkaroon siya ng draw, kaya yung open price niya dun sa given period of time na pinili mo, halos yun din yung close price niya. Kaya siya nag-form ng doji. Long white candle plus doji. A long white candle plus doji form after a series of long white or green candles signals the buyers are becoming exhausted and weakening while sellers are moving in to drive the price back down. So doji is not a good indication kasi there will be a possible reversal. Long black candle plus doji. Doji form after a series of long peeled or red candles signals that they are becoming exhausted and weak. Further buying strength is required to confirm any reversal. Look for a white candle to close above the black candles open. So, pag na-form yung doji after the long peeled candles, kailangan mo pa ng parang marubuso na white to confirm na magkakaroon siya talaga ng possible reversal. Then, there is this single Japanese candlestick pattern. The hammer and the hanging man. This is what it looks like. Hammer, look at this. And hanging man, look at this. Hammer is a bullish reversal pattern formed during a downtrend. Named so because the market is hammering out of the bottom. So, nagda-downtrend siya, bigla siyang nagkaroon ng white. Yung hollowed candle or green hammer. Nasa dulo yung body niya. Upper part. When price is falling, hammer signals that the bottom is near and price will start rising again. Pag nakakita ka ng hammer, ibig sabihin, pwedeng mag-iba na yung magkaroon na ng reversal. But, not because you see a hammer means it is safe to buy order. More bullish confirmation is needed, like a white candlestick to close above the open to the right side of the hammer. Itong hammer signals pa lang siya na magkakaroon, hindi pa confirm kung magdedire-diretso yung uptrending niya, yung reversal niya. So, better wait, sabi nga doon sa seminar. Recognition criteria. The long shadow is about 2 or 3 times the body. Little or no upper shadow. The body is at the lower end of the trading range, nandun sa taas. The color of the real body is not important. Kasi yung hanging man, nakamukha din naman siyang hammer, kaya lang may kulay siya. Is a bearish reversal pattern that can also mark a top or strong resistance level. It indicates that the sellers are beginning to outnumber the buyers. So, yung hanging man, napoform siya sa uptrending. Pag nakakita ka ng hanging man dun sa dulo, this should set off alarms which tell us that there are no buyers left to provide the necessary momentum to keep rising the price. So, there will be a possible reversal. Yung recognition criteria niya is just like the hammer. The long shadow is about 2 to 3 times of the body. Little or no upper shadow. The real body is at the lower end of the trading range and the color of the real body is not important. Another one is the inverted hammer and the shooting star. Yung inverted hammer naman, like this. Yung shooting star, ganito. So, inverted hammer is a bullish reversal pattern formed during a downtrend. It occurs when price has been falling, suggests the possibility of the resistance. Yung inverted hammer, salip na nasa taas yung body niya, katulad sa hammer nasa baba. Pero yung kanyang indication pa din, there will be a reversal. Pero kailangan mo pa ng more confirmatory na candlestick. Yung shooting star, kabaliktaran siya ng hanging man na nasa baba naman yung kanyang body. It is a bearish reversal pattern formed during an uptrend. Its shape indicates that the price opened at its low, rallied but pulled back at the bottom. Ganon din siya katulad ng sa hanging man na nagpo-form din siya during uptrending. Tapos, pag nakita mo siya, there is a possibility of the reversal.